All right, you guys, we about to be up and personal. Hey, y'all, it's your girl K Cash Noel, and I'm in my bed right now, as y'all can tell. I am really tired. Okay, y'all, I'm not going to bed yet, but it's really cold, so I am under my blankie. You like my lashes? That's the Florence extensions. Anyway, yes. So this video is based about the Iaso tea sample packet I made. Oh God, I don't know how to make that thing. I'd make money too, just like them. The Iaso tea 2-day sample packet. It comes with 4 little things in there. Some people take one every day, but the instruction states take 16.9 twice a day. So it's a 2-day packet. So I'm gonna tell y'all how I did it, and I'm gonna let y'all see the video. Okay? So what I did was on my first night, it was Monday. So I started on Monday night. I think I'm gonna do the same thing with the other tea that I got here. I think I'm gonna show y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all. Oh Lord. I did not want to get out of my bed. I really didn't. See, I'm getting up close and personal with y'all. Just so y'all can see like some stuff that I be having. Ow, my hair. Damn, I'm taking my hair out this weekend, y'all. I'm about to put this gray thing in my head. Okay. I be having to look at my stuff here on social media because people be writing me. So, yeah. My nail just broke my natural nail look. Y'all can see my little baby nail broke. Y'all probably can't see it. But anyway. I got my Iaso tea. The hemp. I never tasted this one before. Apparently, this tastes just like lemonade, they say. But I never tasted it. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to try it. So, y'all wish me luck. But here's the thing. I'm not really too excited. Y'all look like a true, I don't know what the hell I look like right now. Like, got this big old doop right here. But listen. I told y'all before, this channel is all about being upfront and real and being transparent. Like, I'm taking y'all through my journeys. Some days I'm gonna look like this. Some days I'm gonna look like the girl that was last week. You just never know what you're gonna get from me, okay? Just know, watch me grow. Okay? Anyways, long story short, I'm not too excited about this. Nail's pissing me off already. I am not too excited about the hemp tea. This is a CBD tea. The yellow packet okay, when you see purple with the yellow on the side, that's CBD. That's the hemp extract. That means like it has to make you feel calm, like that high feel, I guess they say. I'm not about that. I don't really care for that. I just want to try to make me lose weight. So the original tea is supposed to flush you the fuck out. Okay? It's supposed to give you multiple big flushes. Like, pew, pew, pew. And I'm not going to tell y'all, like, I'm not going to say a lot of y'all. I'm going to tell y'all how my experience went. I'm going to do this. This is a 30-day packet right here for this one. And within 2 to 3 days, after using 3 of these, actually just 2 of these, I could tell this shit is going to work. I'm sorry. I need to stop cursing. I could tell if this is going to work or not within 2 days. If it's not going to work, I would know by day 2. Because the way the first one worked, by day 2, if I'm not getting big flushes, I'm returning this back. Don't even want it. If I feel sleepy, it's going back. I'm going to get the regular. Because the regular one, let me tell y'all something, sister. All right, let me tell y'all. So I took the 4 little things, supposed to take it every, the instruction is to have. All right, y'all. So my friend called me in the middle of recording, so I do apologize, you guys. I'm so sad because now I gotta put another video together with this, and I don't even know. I hate putting multiple videos together because sometimes it makes me take a long time to post videos when I do it that way, because I have to find different apps to make it fit the way I need it to fit. All right. People are writing me on my social media, my platforms, for business purposes. So when I pause like that, it's because I'm reading stuff that's happening right now. But just give me a second. Anyways, let's get back to it because I'm getting real distracted right now. So I need to make this video quick because I need to get back to the company stuff that's going on. Anyway, long story short, what happened? Okay, so 4 packets, right? So within them 4 packets, You supposed to take it two per day. So it's two. The packet is for 2 days, not 4. People think it's for 4 days or 5 days. I don't know how they do that, but I don't do it like that. It's literally for 2 days, right? So I started Monday night. I'm gonna tell you what I did. I took it Monday night, and I was like, all right, took my 16 point, and y'all gonna see the video, cause I took videos of everything, and I showed my weights, because one of the things I didn't like is when I was doing my YouTube video, and the way it was taking forever. Like, I be trying to look, people would sit there and talk all day, and I'm like, okay, show me their transition. I want to see your everyday movement, you know what I'm saying? I want to see that. I don't want to see you talking all day. That's why I'm trying to talk in the beginning and let y'all see the rest in the end. Anyways, so I took my first one on Monday, my 16.9 ounce. Then on the next day, I took when did I take the next day? I don't remember. Oh, the next day I took it Tuesday morning. That was number 2. And then, oh Lord, y'all, the second one got my tummy going, okay? Because the first one they had me, I was like, is this even working? Because I heard it's supposed to make you go poop like this. So I was like, I'm supposed to have a big poop this morning. No big poop. I was like, that's weird. Okay, it's not working. This is not going to work for me. So I was thinking, okay, this tea's not going to work for me. Little did I know, all I had to do was drink that beer in the morning time, okay? I drank that thing first thing with nothing else in my stomach. I took it in the morning. Y'all, I kid you not, before lunchtime at work, boy, I was in that bathroom. I was like, oh, my stomach feels so bad. Like, I ain't know I had a boo-boo. And I was like, oh, my God, my body don't feel good. I was like, okay, let me go to the bathroom. Then I realized I had to go boo-boo because I was about to fart. And I was like, oh, this is one of them farts. Okay, y'all. So I ran to the bathroom, and I let it go. I was like, all right, cool. I got my big poop out. Mind you, I started off at 2:09. I was like, all right, cool. Boom. I was like, I'm finna go. Got to my desk, sat down. Whew, my booty was ready for another round 2 within 3 more hours. I was like, I gotta wait till I go home. I can't be pooping like this in people's jobs. So I went home, got that together, and then after I got home, pretty much I had another movement. I legit within the 2-3 day time frame, cause it literally took me 3 days. I did Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday was my rest day. So within them 3 days, I pooped at least 7 times. I started off at 2:09. I didn't even know I weighed that much, which scared the freak out of me. But I'm glad I took the Iaso because it got me back to my 204, 205. So I'm happy I'm back to that size, but my goal is to be lower. So I pooped at least 7 times. I had 7 big flushes within 3 days, which is a lot of flushes. Now, here is the only thing I did not like about that. On my rest day on Thursday, y'all, I was so damn dehydrated. I almost passed the hell out at work. I didn't know what was going on in my body. I was still pooping like normal. Today, which is Friday, is the only day my body didn't do the big flushes like it's supposed to do. It's like it's back to being stagnant. Now, it tells us that we're supposed to have rest days to allow our bodies to get used to the product so it can move the way the same product is doing. So that way when your body becomes regulated, you don't have to use a product anymore to help you flush out. So right now my body just went back to where it's supposed to be. But once I do it for a whole month, my body will get adapted to the new change. Long story short, the only thing I didn't like was I was dehydrated because I wasn't drinking as much water as I was supposed to. So I was getting headaches and I wasn't feeling good. I literally had to go home early yesterday from work because I wasn't feeling good. That's how serious it is. You really have to keep yourself hydrated. It's going to make you poop and flush out everything out your body. So everything. So it is important to have that NutriBurst to go along with it because the NutriBurst keep you hydrated. But that thing made me lose about 4 pounds, 4 pounds in 3 days. 4.5 pounds in 3 days. Like literally close to 5 pounds in 3 days. In 3 days, I'd be like, I wonder how much pounds I lose. And I feel like in a week, I probably lose like 7-8 pounds in a week. And by like 2 weeks, I'll be at 14 pounds off. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, you making results. You getting like my body's getting results. Okay, sis. So yes, that happened. And yeah, so The hemp tea, I'm going to take that next. But I want y'all to go ahead and watch the video right now because I am talking so much and I can sit here and talk to y'all all damn day. And y'all going to be like, damn, she going to get to the part where she's showing her videos? Yes, I am. I'm going to show y'all right now. But just let you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Because, you know, TK, your girl, K Cash, no L. See y'all soon.
The secret ingredient for honey, please?
Oh, it's no secret, dear. If you want to know, then you have to join in.
If I had to drink this daily, I think I probably would have drank this every night. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Doesn't take long for more bees
I have to do a video.
But I'm not a good dancer. Hey, she's showing them something. Is it honey?
No,
Is it the secret ingredient for honey?
that's right. And the dance tells everyone where to find it.
I told you I wasn't a good dancer.
All done. All done. And we're gonna see. We gotta wait 30 minutes. And hopefully digest. I'm gonna tell y'all the weight loss journey into this.